Healthy hair care is an exploration of utilising beautiful natural ingredients for giving you the best in a healthy, simple hair care regime. You'll be learning how to utilise beautiful ingredients like botanical tinctures, extracts, infusions, plant oils and butters, vitamins, essential oils, and a whole variety of other gorgeous ingredients, including things like plant proteins, to create delicious hair treatments. You don't need any prior experience to come on this course. Everything will be explained right from scratch. And you'll be making a wide variety of different products. So what are you going to be learning about and what will you be making? Well, first of all, you're going to be making some simple solid shampoo bars. Then we're going to move on and start doing liquid shampoos, and we'll showcase them in a variety of different ways depending on hair type. But we also want to include formulations for you, not just for hair type, but for the type of colour of your hair, because that's important too. You're also going to be making really lovely conditioners and things like intensive conditioning hair masks for that extra treatment that you might need from time to time. And of course, we've included some extras in there like anti-frizz serums and hot oils to really give your hair those extra treatments. So if you're interested in looking after your hair and knowing what's going into your products, this is probably the course for you. But of course, if you do have any other questions, read the information below, and we're always available for questions either via email or telephone. We hope to see you soon. Bye bye.